In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animation in less than 5 minutes. Here is a basic transparency node setup for an image as plane object. In this setup, the mix shader's factor value will control the material's transparency. The threshold is set to 0.5, meaning if the value becomes more than 0.5, the mesh will start to become invisible. That means more transparency and less material. Let's take a look at the next example. In this example, I have added an external image, and added a less than math node to control the factor value. The threshold is set to 0.5, meaning if the less than value goes less than 0.5, the mesh will start to become invisible. Let's test that. It's working, but that was not perfect. The last thing we want is a sudden invisibility, and we need more nodes to prevent just that. Let's take a look at the final example. In this setup, I have added a math snap node, and used the usual gradient node setup for the smooth invisibility transition. The less than node's threshold is now being controlled by the math snap node, and the less than node is now taking the value from the gradient setup. This setup is using the gradient nodes type as its invisibility value, and by utilizing such nodes we can achieve an interest effect like this. There are more gradient types to explore. Please match the settings. I have set the last from to 100, and animated the invisibility transition like this. I have set a keyframe on 1 and 100, and increased the snap node's value on frame 50. I have set a new keyframe on 50 after that. This value goes to frame 1 and 100. This is frame 50's snap value. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.